Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to walk through how to turn off your Ring doorbell, whether you want to deactivate or delete it from your Ring account. First thing first, let's talk about deactivating your Ring device. When you activate or deactivate your Ring doorbell, camera or smart light, you can still access your video clips from the event history. You'll also be able to transfer ownership of the device to someone else. However, once it's deactivated, the new owner can set it up without accessing any of your previous videos. To deactivate your device, open the Ring app and head to your main dashboard. From there, tap on the camera you want to adjust and select the More button. That's the three dots at the top right. Next, tap on Settings, then select General Settings and tap on Remove Device. You'll get the option to keep your event recording, but remember you'll need a Ring home plan to view them. After that, just tap Deactivate Device and you're all set. Now, if you want to go to a step further and delete the device, that's an option too. But keep in mind, once deleted, you can no longer view or download any of your videos from the event history. To delete a device, again go to the main dashboard, tap on the camera, then the three dots, and select Device Settings. Next, go to General Settings, then tap Remove Device. Then select the Delete Events option to permanently delete your device. And that's all there is to it. Whether you deactivate or delete, you're in full control of your Ring device. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.